Hungry? Open wide for Mom. Num num. Oh, Kongsuni used to do that. You're just like her. That's my girl. Your big sister's been teaching you how to talk. Seems like just the other day she was this little.
I feel sad.
Aw,
It's not fair. Why is Mom always with her?
'cause she's a baby. Your mom was like that with you, too.
A long time ago. Not now. Everything's about the baby. It's like she forgets about me.
Kongsuni. All set for your story?
Are you done with Chloe?
I just put her to sleep. So? Something wrong? Where did all the smiles go? This isn't like you. Why are you so quiet, sweetie?
Can I be a baby again?
Don't you like growing up?
Yeah, sometimes, but I want to be your special girl again.
But you are. I love you just as much as her. You're both very special. Never forget that, okay?
I'll try not to. I miss you.
Oh, shh. Let's think of all the things you can do that a baby can't. Going to the playground, feeding yourself, playing make-believe. Know what? I'm gonna make sure we spend more time together. Once a day, we'll play whatever you want.
Okay. I don't want to be a baby now. Babies can't go to school like me. I'm lucky. I can play with blocks and go to the park and ride my bike.
Who's my girl?
Mom, look what I have! Here I come. Look, Mom, it's a phone.
Oh, wow. Did you make that?
Yeah, at preschool. Huh?
Oh, ring, ring. Who is it?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Hello. This is Kongsuni speaking. When you get busy with your work, just call me, okay? I can help out with tidying the house. I'm growing up, so I can help with the baby too. Call me.
Oh no, look at the time.
Huh? You going?
I'm off. Running late. I'll call you later. Up, up, and away!
Huh? Kongsuni, what's wrong? You've hardly eaten. How come?
I don't like this green stuff. It's all slimy. Look. It's so droopy, I think it feels sad.
No, it's happy. Do you know why? Because it's healthy. If you eat it, then you'll be healthy too. And healthy means happy.
No, it doesn't. It makes me sad.
If you try it, you just might like it. Come on.
I didn't like it the last time I tried. It's so yucky.
Oh, if you try it for me, I'll play Tickle Monster.
Yay! Mommy time!
You can say no if you don't like it, but first try one mouthful. Here it comes.
No! Gross!
I'm just asking you to taste. Come on, down the hatch.
No way! Mom, you promised!
Honestly, this day doesn't feel special.
Special? It's not my birthday. And it's not Chloe's birthday yet either. Oh, hey, I know. Is it spring break already? Wait, not yet.
Exactly. Any other guesses? You're almost there.
Oh, I know it.
So, what day is it?
It's the day we all go to the fair and ride the carousel.
Never mind. I guess it's no big deal.
Mom, what's wrong?
We're gonna be late. Finish up.
I've got a better idea. I'll stay home and we can play till dinner. What do you say to that?
Mommy has work to do. Besides, I thought you liked school. The bus is waiting. Watch for cars now.
Freedom! Yes! Man, it sure was stuffy in there. Ugh. Boy, this place is noisy in the morning. It's like a flock of seagulls or a troop of monkeys.
Have fun, dear.
Okay. Bye, Mom. See you right after school.
I hope you have a good day, Kongsuni. Well, that's one thing off the list. Hooray! Still, I can't believe no one remembered it was my birthday. Oh well, things could be worse. Oh, you think every day is special. Maybe you're onto something.
Huh?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh, thank you, darling. Who's good to me you are.
Her birthday? I've got to tell Kongsuni that it's her mom's big day.
Ah! No! Sayo! I didn't get a present for her. Wait, she likes earrings, but I don't have any.
Well, know what I think? You'd be lost without me. I'm wise, like a wise old owl, except I'm not that old. Yeah!
Huh?
Huh?
I've got it! I figured it out! Yeah!
Right.
I got a plan. It's gonna be so good. This will be the best birthday ever.
So, where do we start?
It'll be in 3 parts. Step 1, orange juice.
Who doesn't love orange juice?
The next part is flowers. Mommy really likes the pink ones. And that's part 2.
Part 2 smells pretty.
I'll play with Chloe while Mom does the laundry. It's perfect. Part 2 and part 3.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Are you ready to get started? It's teamwork, and I can't do it without you.
Huh?
Have some. You'll love it. It's orange juice, but it tastes like sunshine and superpowers.
It does? You are so thoughtful, sweetheart. Thank you.
Well, I wasn't sure if I should add salt or sugar, so I kind of guessed. I shook up the orange juice really good for you, Mommy.
You know, it doesn't have pulp, so... It got on my drawing! I'll have to start over. Or maybe I can save part of it. Who am I kidding?
I'm sorry, Mom.
Oh.
Yo, friend, don't feel bad. Remember the plan? You've still got parts 2 and 3.
Right. Come on.
Huh? Oh?
Hi, Mommy. Your drawing was so pretty. It's really too bad that you have to make it all over again. I want to cheer you up.
It's okay. Accidents happen. You're sweet for wanting to cheer me up. What are these? Pretty. They're for me?
Yep. Because I know how much you like flowers. That's why I went out and picked them just for you.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh, no. I think these are the neighbor's prized flowers. It's okay, you didn't know. But she won't be happy. It was a nice thought, though, sweetie.
I didn't mean to get you in trouble. Mommy's still sad. Huh?
Why'd you stop?
Now it's time for part 3.
Oh, no, 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 no. Terrible idea. Please don't. Oh, wow, go. Come on.
She doesn't bite. Just play with her.
Oh. Maybe not, but she sure drools a lot.
Here.
I'm not a basketball! So heavy! Oh, this isn't fun!
Huh? Hey, Chloe, are you okay? There. Shh. Let's not bother Mommy.
Huh? Oh no! Did you hurt yourself, sweetie? Oh. Ooh, you smelled that?
Oh, I'll change her diaper, but I think she's crying because she bumped her head. Just a little.
Thank you for telling me, but it's not your fault. And I can change her. Ooh. All right. Come on, Chloe.
It didn't work. It's not a good birthday. Aw, we're having lots of bad luck today. All I wanted was Mommy to feel special.
I know, me too. Huh.
Sayo, let's just forget it.
Hey, hang on a sec. Why give up? I mean, it's still her birthday, right?
Huh? Yeah, up till tomorrow morning.
Then we've got a chance. We can come up with something. It's not even dinner time yet. We must have a few hours left. There's gotta be another way we can make her birthday special. Come on, let's put our heads together.
Sorry, I don't want to.
No? You sure? I mean, I know. What about your birthday? What made it so special?
My birthday?
It's your special day, honey. I can't believe you're 4 years old already. Time to blow out the candles on your cake. Make a birthday wish. I love you, honey.
I remember. On my birthday, it was the cake that made it special. But how are we gonna get her one?
Get one? No, that's not gonna happen. We've gotta make it, but problem is we're not allowed to cook. What do we do?
Pretend? I guess it could be a pretend one. Dad might bring home a real one.
Whatever works. Come on, it's time to turn that frown upside down. Cheer up. She's gonna love it, promise. You just gotta believe. So what do you say, Sparkle Pop?
All right. I'll do it your way, but I won't like it.
Sure, if you say so. Oh. Okay, please don't cry, Kongsuni. Yo, listen. We're running out of time here.
Oh, yeah! Got it!
What?
All the best cakes are covered in candies and lots of whipped cream. So, I know where we keep that stuff. We can make Mom's birthday cake look real.
As long as nobody eats it, I guess. If it looks super real, you've got to make sure they know.
They'll know it's a pretend cake. Promise.
Oh. All right, then let's do it. What are we waiting for?
And welcome!
On today's cooking show, we have Master Chef Kongsuni. A few words?
Huh? Who, me? Hi there.
Ugh. Don't you want to say something about what we're making in the kitchen? You know your mom's C-A-K-E?
Right. Can you tell me again? I kind of forgot about it.
Can't blame you. It's been a long day, all right. We're here to make a cake for your mom, remember?
Yes, we're making her a birthday cake and we're putting sweet things on top of it. What do we have? These things are made of different fruits. Let's use them all, the whole tub.
Cool. Hi. Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to make a beautiful pretend birthday cake.
It's always fun when we play baking.
Yahoo!
We start with flour, the very best. Pour in some milk, it's the next step. Now stir it up, remove the clumps. That's our special recipe.
Kongsuni bakes awesome cakes for many occasions.
Yeah!
This one is a special cake. It's for her mother's birthday.
Here we go! It's always fun when we play baking.
Yahoo!
We stir it up to remove the clumps.
Then decorate with special care.
I love the colors, the special candy. Now it's ready for my mom.
Kongsuni makes anything she does look easy.
Yeah!
Now we have a special cake ready for the party.
Check it out!
Come on. What's this big surprise, dear? I can't see a thing.
Perfect. You're not supposed to. Kongsuni, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Surprise, Mom! This yummy cake is for you. It's your special day. We love you.
What's going on? Oh, so much suspense. You know, you are such a kid.
Just have a seat and keep them closed. Kongsuni, all set?
Ready, Dad?
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
Surprise, Mom! This yummy cake is for you. It's your special day. We love you. Mom, blow out the candles.
Huh? She's right. Make a wish.
Oh, and make sure you keep it a secret.
That was sweet. I honestly thought you'd all forgotten.
It might have slipped my mind, but then Kongsuni reminded me.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Daddy, you didn't remember that other thing?
Oh, right. Silly me.
Huh?
These are for you.
Roses, my favorite. They're so beautiful.
And look, there's this. I made it. It's a card.
Aw. You wrote this all by yourself? Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Wow, it's a wonderful card. I'll treasure it forever.
And these are coupons. I made them just for you whenever you need something. Kongsuni power to the rescue.
Let's see, what are they? Oh.
Coupon 1. Super fresh orange juice from Super Kongsuni. Be very careful not to spill and never add salt.
Oh.
Coupon 2. Pretty fresh flowers for Mommy when she needs cheering up. But only flowers we know are okay to pick.
Aw.
Coupon 3. 1 hour playtime with Chloe, but only careful and gentle games.
Beautiful. Just look at it. I can't believe you did all this just for me. Oh, I'm sorry, my darling. I know that I've been a little impatient. Let me make it up. We can go do arts and crafts in my office.
Yeah, okay, that sounds like fun. But are you sure that you aren't mad at me?
Come here. Oh, no, Kongsuni. I'm the happiest mommy in the whole world. Oh, really, I mean it. I'm so proud of you. You know that, right? Thank you for a great day. Every day I spend with you is a joy. But today I feel extra special.
Good, because you are special, Mommy.
Ahem. Time for cake yet? I'm getting hungry.
I suppose. Looks good. Where'd you get it? The new bakery in town?
What, who, me? I didn't get it. I thought you two baked it together.
Okay.
Hang on.
Kongsuni?
Enough talking. Let's get back to the cake. You're gonna be surprised.
Oh, all right. Huh? That's weird. It's really hard to cut. Honey, did you get the cake on display?
Like I do that again. Here, let me try.
Done it. And no one noticed it was pretend. Yep. Thanks to Sale. And the best family ever. Happy birthday, Mom.
princess!
Dragon Slayer!
Your Highness, I have defeated the dragon.
I smelled its breath!
Was it stinky?
Super stinky!
Ew.
And that's how the Dragon Slayer saved the kingdom. Remember, brush your teeth, because nobody likes dragon breath. Know what, honey? You were a perfect tree. Right, Chloe? I don't think we've ever seen a better tree.
But I didn't want to be a tree, Mom. I like princesses. They're pretty and they're important.
Every part's important, just in different ways.
No, mine wasn't. Nobody really notices a boring old tree. Even a frog would have been way better. Mom, I really like playing pretend. And you said that I'm good at it.
You're a very talented actor.
So how come teacher wouldn't let me play all the parts? I could have been a good horse, you know. There wasn't a horse, so I got stuck as a dumb tree.
A nice tree.
Mom, you're not listening to me. You don't get it.
No? You want to show your talent, but so does everyone else, right? Now.
This isn't fair.
Oh. Huh?
Yay, found it.
Oh, please! Yo, Kongsuni, what is up with all the noise? I am trying to take a nap.
What's so funny? This is my princess dress.
And it's pretty, but it's too small. You've grown way too tall for it. I see London, I see France, I see someone's underpants.
What a surprise! Kongsuni, it's a very beautiful dress, but you've grown. You'll need something a little bigger.
I don't know. It feels all right.
Off before it rips more.
Aw, why so glum, chum?
My dress ripped. I wanted to wear something nice, but see? How am I supposed to be a real princess? I don't have a costume.
Hey, we'll figure something out. Come on, what you think?
It's too hard. I need a big gown and a tiara and some shoes. It's just way too many things.
That's tough. Hang on a minute. Nah, that won't work. I've got a magic stick that'll do the trick. It's showtime.
Huh? Oh, Sayo, you're the best friend in the whole world.
A fort's way too small. You need a castle. Yo?
Really?
Of course. Can you picture it? It's right there. Oh, dear. Late again. This won't do. Princess Kongsuni, where are you? What's taking you?
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, sire.
Princesses must always be on time. It's proper, you know. Slow and graceful steps.
Got it.
No more running. No more skidding around corners. One step, two steps, glide with grace. Think you can remember that?
Uh-huh. I can give it my best try.
Perfect. All right, Kongsuni, time to begin your lessons. The first step is to be graceful. It starts with balance and confidence. If you can keep those plastic plates from falling, you're one step closer to looking like royalty. Top marks, dear princess. Wonderful. Now to step things up a notch. Balance and confidence.
And plastic.
Oh. A princess must know everything about everything, or at least a little something about something. History of dragons, unicorn behavior, and let's not forget fairy languages. We have much to do, my princess in training. Ready? Never fall asleep at the table. It's very bad manners.
Right, okay. Huh? I have to read all of that? Hang on. Isn't there some kind of easy way that won't take forever?
There's no other way. Read a little bit at a time, like you're counting grains of sand. It won't take you forever, I promise. Just 100 years.
Wow, looks so delicious.
Hold it right there! You must learn table manners.
But I'm starving.
If you want to be a princess, then you have to learn to eat like one.
Wait, you mean with my pinky up?
Not even close. You'll get it. Takes lots of practice. So worth it. So yummy.
Come on.
Oh.
Sorry. Kinda.
Next.
Huh?
Everybody knows how this works. It takes courage to kiss a frog.
Wouldn't a gummy frog work?
Not if you want to find true love. I've seen lots of frogs, and this one seems like a real prince in disguise.
Wait, do I really have to do it? Really? All right, I'll do it, but not because I have to. Ugh.
A princess never keeps a prince or a frog waiting. Ready?
Once. And I'm not gonna like it. And I'm not gonna do it again. I was right.
Yeah! Now it's time to learn one last thing. How to dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and step. 4 and swish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not bad. Once more, from the top.
Being a princess is hard. I don't think I can do it.
You must. The royal ball is coming up. You want to make a good impression at the big crystal ball, don't you? Atta girl, now back nice and straight. Big relaxed breath. And exhale. Into position. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I thought this would be more fun. I'm so tired. Huh? Hey, wait a sec. I never had a sleepover in a castle before. Huh? Maybe I'll get breakfast in bed. I hope so. I bet there'll be waffles and whipped cream and strawberries a mile high.
She looks fun. I wonder if she can dance. Without stomping on my toes. Stomped toes are the worst. Highness, good afternoon. May I ask you to have the first dance with me?
Sure. I mean, yes, of course you can.
I can't believe that this is happening.
You are a dream come true. I feel so special when I'm with you.
We're meant to be forevermore. Prince and princess happily. Lovely prince and princess elegantly dancing. I hope this love story has a very happy ending. And now I see the future's clear to me.
It's not a dream, it's our new life. And we will be forever one.
We're meant to be forevermore. Prince and princess happily. Lovely prince and princess elegantly dancing. In this love story, dreams come true.
Your Highness, you are so very graceful. You glide like a swan. What an honor. May I ask your name?
Twinkly toes. You can call me Kongsuni. My name means that I'm smart. I can do anything. Unless I just dreamed about that last part.
Princess Kongsuni, my ring is a pledge to protect you.
Huh?
Your Highness, you have my word.
Huh?